Thank you, sir. That's for you. Shh, Mama. Mama. Sir, you also, I have something for you. Later on, we talk later. Okay. Uy, bachelor.
Kaya ko umiwas na
Thank you. Thank you very much. How about a big hand for my two guitar player. On first guitar, Mr. Cesar Aguas. And on second guitar, Mr. Noel Mendez. Forever till the day I die, you and I will share. There was a time when I just thought that I would lose my mind. You came along and let the sunlight shine, started on my way. I took it all, every moment was a special day, and I thought you were in all my life. Worth this all my life, wanted this all my life, wanted this all my life. Turuan kayo ah, okay kayo ah. Okay, ano pa? Any, ha? Ano daw? Acha-cha? Ano? Dito naman. Ha? Zoom! Ganda-ganda ng ayos niya, ma'am. Parang kaka-parlor niyo lang. At amoy na amoy ko kayo dito. Feeling ko naligo kayo today. Okay, Zoom. Zoom! You chase the world away. Thank you. Huh? Tell me, where did I go wrong? What did I do to make you change your mind completely? When I thought this love would never end, but if this love's not ours to have, I let it go with you. Goodbye. Any more requests? How about you, sir? Do you have any favorite song? Spaghetti! Dahil ikaw ay nagtataka. Sino ba tong mukhang gaganan ka na pa sa pagkanta at nasisimulado sa kaba? Thank you. Ayun. 'Cause you've made me stronger by breaking my heart. You entered my life and made a better one start. You taught me everything from falling in love to letting go of a lie. You made me stronger, baby, by saying goodbye. Yun. And then somebody requested for this. Teka lang, pwedeng kumanta muna. Anong bakit ka lang? Ano yung bakit ngayon ka lang? Yung... O sige, ikaw na.